What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I give you a little life lesson. Do not bid on something unless you are willing to buy it. I made a dummy bid for a peanut amount on a 2008 Xr8 that had been stolen at the insurance auctions, and I won it. I can't believe it. So let's go pick it up, see what it's like. I know nothing about it. I do not know if it runs. I do not know if it starts. I don't know the kilometers. It has been fully gutted and looks like it was on the verge of having its color changed at a chop shop. Let's go save it. I'm almost there. You know I'm in the right spot when there's a tow truck. All the cars are kept behind this fence. You can see this truck up here. It's got tons of cars on it. I think this is the gate that I've got to go into. Damaged cars there. I'll just follow this truck. I'll give them my ticket and we'll get loaded up. This is where the cars come when you have a car accident and your car gets written off. They sell it at the auctions and it gets pushed around, picked up on one of these big forklifts. There's heaps of caravans, heaps of cars, one big storage yard. There she is, the Xr8. Time to get it loaded on. There it is, guys. She's on. Have a look at it. Looks like it's been pulled out at the bottom of the ocean. A stolen and recovered 2008 BF Xr8. Looks like it's been stolen mid a rebirth. It looks like they've tried to change the colour. Now let's get it home and we'll see if it starts, see if it runs, and work out if we're going to fix it or not. I made it home. I was a little bit cheeky, a little bit premature. I stopped in at the local wreckers and I bought a pair of leather side bolsters that are missing. I was going to grab the back seat, but these are perforated and the back seat wasn't. So I've got no idea if it starts. I don't know a single thing about this car. All I know is it was stolen. It was listed as does not run, but that's because it doesn't have a battery. So I'm gonna put the battery in it. I'm gonna set the ramps up and I'm gonna start it up and see if it will start, see if it will move under its own power and have a guess at the kilometers. I don't know. It wasn't listed on the ad. So your guess is as good as mine. I'll be happy with between 200 and 250. I think that's standard for a car of this age. If it's any less than that, I'll be stoked. If it's any more than that, I'll be a little bit disappointed. This is the moment of truth. Got the ramps down, got the battery connected, got the fire extinguisher ready if I need it. All I know is this car, when I put in the VIN number, it was stolen over 6 months ago. So who knows how long it's been since it was started. I haven't had a look at the kilometers yet. What's your guess? This is the moment of truth. 191. That's awesome. I'm really happy with that. Under 200 for a car built in 2008. Have a look at the interior, man. This thing has been sitting abandoned for a long time, I think. So I do have keys. It looks like it was seized by police, probably in a panel shop during a rebirth maybe, as they wanted to change the colour. So luckily it's got keys. All the parts I've taken off though, they didn't put with the car. Let's see if we got dash lights. Got dash lights, heard a fuel pump. Oh, I did put in 20 litres of fresh fuel before I come home. Happy birthday card. Wonder if I still got money on it. 2025. What's this? Cypress Hill. I don't know who that is. It's not Pink Floyd, so I'm not interested. Nothing in the glove box. That's it. There we go. A couple of pens and a MP3 player. Man, how old was this person? Baby boy. All right. Will it start? It's in park. Handbrake on. Oh, no way. No way. No way, that started so good. So happy with that. I did check if it's got coolant, it's got oil, and it's got power steering fluid, so I did check those before I started it. And it's got fresh fuel now. Sitting outside for probably 6 months as well. Who knows where water went with no bonnet. The mighty Boss 260. Wow. Alright, time to get it in the shed. Well, for some reason, the front wheels are locked, and I've done the old she'll be right. Gone to go back, did a little burnout. I slid it off the trailer as far as I could. But now it's stuck, so I've got a jack under there. I'm going to have to try and drive the trailer forward to get the car out. I suspect maybe the front rims are too small for the brake rotors, maybe for the calipers. It's rubbing. Otherwise, something's not right. I was right. That was the problem. The factory, these rims were too small. You can see they were grinding out on the brake calipers. So I put some different wheels on and I'm able to move it around now. So what do you guys think? 2008 BF Xr8. It's the very, very last one, as they were still making the FG. They just started making the FG in 2008. So it's the very, very last one. It's ST, which is silhouette black. It's a Rebel or an Aggressor, so it's supposed to have a special body kit and special wheels. It's been rubbed back for a respray. It looks like when this car was found, it was in a panel shop, just about to get a respray, probably a colour change to hide it. So it's been all sanded back. It's been all scotch-brighted, rubbed back. It's actually a pretty decent job, so it must have been a proper panel shop. You can still see they've still got the tape where they're about to spray some primer. It's had a couple of repairs. It's got these 20-inch wheels on it. There's only 3 of them. It's not bad. These usually rust out really bad. In the quarter panels here, there's no rust there on either side. There's a little bit there. They've put some bog over. It's missing all the boot trims. Still got the factory jack. This is all just rubbish. Still got the spare wheel cover. Bit of the door trim there. Bit of the Xr8 badge there. I've still got boot struts. It's got premium sound, this model, so it's got the amp and it's got a factory subwoofer. It's pretty much missing every panel. It is missing every panel. Fuel flap, everything. It's a factory Ford tow bar. It's had another repair here. It's had a bit of an accident here. I don't know what's happened there, whether that was the people that stole it or what. But I can fix that easy peasy. The engine runs really good, 190,000 on it, runs perfect. The water's good, the oil's good. These have a really bad timing chain rattle when they start up, but this one doesn't have that rattle, so it's pretty good. Still got the headlights. What else? Stolen vehicle, hazardous material, broken glass and used syringes. Nice. So it would have been nice. It was only stolen 6 months ago, and you can imagine how different it would have looked. It's got the seat cover on it, so you know that leather seat's going to be really nice under there. Get inside the car. Have a look at the dash. Been sitting out in the dusty auction yard for a long time. Who knows however long else, where it was beforehand with the thieves. Have a look at it. She's pretty rank. Just crap everywhere. Dust. So it's got premium sound. It's got the premium sound Ford ICC, 6-stacker CD. It's got the clock. Not all XR8s had all this. This is just being one of the last ones. They optioned it up the best they could. It's got the leather steering wheel on it, which in the next video I'll cut this off and we'll see how nice that leather wheel is. I dare say that's pretty nice still. Fog lights. Not sure what that... Oh, it's not a button. Roof line is sagged and half falling off. Need to fix that. This driver's seat's good. It's not ripped at all. Red XR stitching. Needs a good clean. Bit of leather shampoo. The back seat. I've got some of it. Still got the parcel shelf. Got these 2 bolsters that I just bought today. I'll put them in. And I need to find a back seat. Find a lower leather base. Can't wait to clean it up. Look at that. It's filthy. So the body shell needs a prime and a paint. Need to repair that. And a good clean up. What else? What else? I had a look underneath. That looks not too bad under there. It's pretty good underneath. The diff bushes look alright. Yeah, the exhaust is not rusty. The brakes need doing. I still got the key. I've still got one key. Still got the original Ford key. It's got an aftermarket alarm fitted to it, which is annoying. Sometimes it goes off if the car rocks when it's off, which is ironic because it was still stolen anyway. The handbrake cover. Looks like someone got hungry. Eating that. That's common. So I'll get a nice leather one of them if I fix it. And it's got the ZF, the 6-speed, which is a good transmission. Well, mostly good. It's a German designed box, sometimes in BMWs as well as Fords in the later years. To have this combo, the Boss 260 with the ZF, it's a pretty good combo because they did come out with the 4-speed autos, which are a bit pox. Can 190,000, still all turns on. See what CDs he's got in there. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, good choice of music. That's cool. I like that. I'll keep that CD. Thanks for watching this one, guys. tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What should I do with it? Should I keep it? And should I fix it up? Do you want to see me fix it up? Should I sell it, make a bit of profit? Or should I use the engine, the running gear, maybe in an old Ford, maybe the XD I've got? I'm really not sure. I didn't plan on buying this. I just did a dummy bid on the insurance auctions and I won it for absolute peanuts. So it was worth getting. I've always wanted a V8. I've had 6 cylinders most of my life, so it's pretty cool to have it, to be honest. I think it would be nice to fix it up. It is a stolen and recovered car, but I would never sell it, so it doesn't really matter. It would just be something I keep for myself. So tell me what you reckon. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it shows me if you're interested in this kind of stuff. And tell me what you think in the comments below. Cheers, guys.